Hey everyone! Welcome back to Miss Grammar with Luna and Alex.
That's right. The place where English becomes easy, fun, and totally natural.
Today's topic is one of the most useful things in English conversations.
And also one of the most confusing ones for learners.
Exactly. We're talking about how to ask questions in English naturally.
Whether you're talking to a friend, your teacher, or even your boss, asking questions correctly makes you sound confident and fluent.
And don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to form any kind of question easily.
Yep, with examples, fun practice, and some common mistakes you'll want to avoid.
So let's get started.
All right, Luna. Before we dive into the details, tell me, why is learning to ask questions so important?
Great question, Alex. Smiles. Asking questions is how we connect with people. It shows curiosity, helps us learn, and keeps conversations going.
Questions equals connection.
Think about it. In daily life, we ask questions like, "What's your name? How are you? Where are you from? Do you like coffee? Can you help me?"
Right. Every conversation starts with a question, but sometimes learners struggle with word order,
Yes. For example, instead of saying, "Do you like pizza?" beginners might say, "You like pizza?"
which is okay if you're chatting informally, but for clear and correct English, we need to learn the right structure.
So in this lesson, we'll look at 1. How to form yes-no questions. 2. How to form what, where, why, when questions. 3 common mistakes learners make. 4 practice dialogues to sound natural.
Part 1. Yes, no questions.
Let's start with yes, no questions, the easiest type.
These are questions that can be answered with yes or no.
The structure is simple. Example, do you like English? Does he play football? Did they go to school? Are you ready? Is she your sister?
Notice something? The helping verb, do, does, did, am, is, are, comes before the subject.
Right. Let's break it down. For present simple, do I, you, we, they plus base verb. Does he, she, it plus base verb.
Examples. Do you speak English? Does she live in London? Luna, do you like chocolate?
Of course I do. Who doesn't?
Good answer. Now, if it's past tense, we use did. Examples. Did you watch the movie? Did he call you?
And for to be verbs, am, is, are. The structure changes a bit. Are you tired? Is she okay? Am I late?
So the rule is, for to be verbs, don't use do, does, did. Just put am, is, are before the subject.
Exactly. Let's quickly test our viewers. Which one is correct? 1. You are happy. 2. Are you happy?
The answer is number 2. Are you happy?
Great, you're already improving. Now let's move on to double H questions.
These are questions that start with question words. What, where, when, who, why, which, and how.
Example, what do you do? Where do you live? When did he come? Why is she crying? Who are you talking to?
So the basic pattern is question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb. Example, what do you want? When did they arrive?
Easy, right? Let's make it fun with a quick role play.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go shopping or watch Netflix. How about you?
I play football with my friends
Cool. Where do you play?
at the park near my house,
Oh, nice. When do you start?
usually around 5 p.m.
Using how questions.
How is a super flexible question word. Let's see some examples. How are you? How old are you? How much does it cost? How many friends do you have? How long does it take? How often do you study? How far is your school?
Each how plus word changes the meaning. And don't forget, use do, does, did when needed. Example: how often do you go there? How long did it take?
Perfect. Let's do another mini practice.
Practice dialogue. How old are you, Alex?
Hmm, old enough to know better, but young enough to keep teaching English.
That's not an answer.
Okay. I'm 28,
How long have you been teaching English?
about 6 years.
Wow! And how often do you record videos?
Almost every week. Now it's time to practice. Repeat after us to improve your speaking.
Example 1. Daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Example 2. Hobbies.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I love mystery novels.
Example 3. School.
Where do you study?
I study at Greenfield College.
Example 4. Work.
What do you do for a living?
I'm an English teacher.
Example 5. Travel.
How far is your home from the airport?
It's about 20 kilometers.
Example 6. Shopping.
How much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
Example 7. Weather.
Is it raining today?
No, it's sunny.
Example 8. Family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Example 9. Feelings.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
Example 10. Free time.
What do you do in your free time?
I play guitar and watch movies.
Example 11. Preferences.
Which do you prefer? Coffee or tea?
Definitely tea.
Example 12. Future plans.
Are you going anywhere this weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
Example 13. Learning English.
Why are you learning English?
Because it helps me talk to people around the world. Okay, time for an important part. Common mistakes.
Let's fix them one by one. Mistake 1. Wrong word order. Incorrect. You are coming. Correct. Are you coming?
Always remember. In English, the helping verb comes first. Mistake 2. Using do with to be. Incorrect. Do you are a student? Correct. Are you a student?
Never use do, does, did with am, is, are. Mistake 3. Forgetting do, does, did. Incorrect. You like English? Correct. Do you like English?
Always add do, does, did for regular verbs. Mistake 4. Double helping verb. Incorrect. Do you are happy? Correct. Are you happy?
One helping verb is enough. Mistake 5. Using why you are instead of why are you. Incorrect. Why you are late. Correct. Why are you late?
Remember, English questions follow a pattern. If you change the order, it sounds unnatural.
All right, let's wrap it up.
Today, we learned how to ask questions in English naturally.
Recap.
Yes, no questions use. Do, does, did, plus subject plus verb. Do you like apples?
To be questions use am, is, are plus subject. Is he your friend?
Why, questions use. Question word plus helping verb plus subject plus verb. Where do you live?
How questions can show different meanings. How much, how long, how often, etc.
Don't forget correct word order.
Now it's time for your challenge. In the comments below, write 3 questions you would ask a new friend in English.
For example, what's your favorite movie? Where do you live? How often do you travel?
We'll check your sentences and give you feedback in the comments.
Remember, practice is the key to fluency.
So keep asking questions every day, not just in class, but in real life too.
And soon you'll sound like a native speaker, naturally and confidently.
That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
For more English learning with Luna and
Alex.